Okay, so let me go to the map. So there's a map up here. Is the code that you guys must see, and go right here, which is right here. That they have the sunglasses emoji. Click on that. If you're on mobile on PC device, you must follow the right steps, and then tap on these so you can get XP, and so you can collect it. You can get a lot of XP. You get a lot of XP. See, I already get level 46 from spending that levels. So if you want to do it again, click on endgame. Click on endgame, and then if you have says play again, you can say play it again. But if you have the no play again, just click ready up. That should get for you to wait. So this is gonna be the way that you can get more XP in one level in Fortnite. If you wanna move rank very quickly, or wanted to get the battle pass quickly, or you want to get your leveled up to 100 to get Doctor Strange, use this or other stuff, because this is help you getting more XP in one game. Because one game equals 20,000 XP if you earn a lot. So just click on there, and then click on these, spamming click on these, and then you can get more XP. See, I'm already at 40,000 XP. I already get more XP, so which is good. Oh, so this is what they look like. It's gonna be up there. If you want to get more XP, you must do this so you can get. But by the way, there's another secret after the XP. So go to where there's a bush. There's a coin right here, and then you collect it. There, you can see. You can get secret XP. There we go. I'm on level 47. So that's it for this video. I will see you guys next time. Bye, boys.